Week 16, 7th class, Day 1, Number 1, Growling. Growling, కేకలు వేయడము. The bear was growling in the forest. The bear was growling in the forest. Twitching, twitching, వెలితిప్పుట. The dog's ear is twitching. The dog's ear is twitching. Alighted, alighted, దిగెను. She alighted from the bus. Fourth one, terrifying, భయపెట్టే. Terrifying, భయపెట్టే. The dark forest is terrifying. Sprang, sprang, దూకెను. She sprang out of bed. She sprang out of bed. Day 2, 7th class. Collapsed, collapsed, కుప్పకూలిపోయెను. She collapsed on the floor. She collapsed on the floor. Second one, intestines, intestines, ప్రేగులు. The intestines help absorb the nutrients. The intestines help absorb the nutrients. Stuffed, stuffed, నిండెను. The toy animal is stuffed with cotton. The toy animal is stuffed with cotton. Knitted, knitted, అల్లెను. He knitted a hat for his friend. Sewed up, sewed up, కుట్టెను. The doctor sewed up the cut. Day 3, vanished, vanished, అదృశ్యమయ్యెను. The money vanished from the wallet. The money vanished from the wallet. Gigantic, gigantic, అతి పెద్దదైన. The gigantic house is beautiful. Awestruck, awestruck, ఆశ్చర్యపడు. She was awestruck by the beautiful view. Fourth one, restricted, restricted, పరిమితం చేయు. The area was restricted due to construction. Tournaments, ఆటల పోటీలు. The team participated in the tournaments. The team participated in the tournaments. Day 4, first one, affiliated, affiliated, అనుబంధించబడిన, అనుబంధించబడిన. The hospital is affiliated with the university. Opponent, opponent, ప్రత్యర్థి. She faced a tough opponent in the tennis match. Third one, capture, బంధించడం. The photographer tried to capture the bird. The photographer tried to capture the bird. Complicated, complicated, సంక్లిష్టమైన. The doctor said that the surgery was complicated. The doctor said that the surgery was complicated. Compare, compare, పోల్చుట. He compares scores. He compares scores. Day 5, universe, universe, సృష్టి, విశ్వము. The universe is full of secrets. The universe is full of secrets. Innumerable, innumerable, లెక్కించలేని. The stars in the sky are innumerable. The stars in the sky are innumerable. Concentration, concentration, ఏకాగ్రత. Chess game requires great concentration. Chess game requires great concentration. Involves, involves, ఆక్రమించు. The game involves solving puzzles. The game involves solving puzzles. Experiments, experiments, ప్రయోగాలు. The teacher showed experiments. The teacher showed experiments. Week 16, 8th class. Movement, movement, క్షణం. I am busy at this moment. Contain, contain, కలిగి ఉండుట. These biscuits contain salt. These biscuits contain salt. Excitement. Utsahamu. The children shouted in excitement. Affection. Apyayata. She has deep affection for her parents. Affection. She has deep affection for her parents. Exhaustion. Exhaustion. Ayasam. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Day 2. Vanish. Vanish. Adrishyamagu. The pain vanished after he had taken a tablet. Mutter. Mutter. Gonuguta. Don't mutter, boy. Speak clearly. Don't mutter, boy. Speak clearly. Humming. Humming. Junkaram cheyu. She was humming a cheerful tune. She was humming a cheerful tune. Sip. Sip. Gutka veyu. I took a sip of coffee. I took a sip of coffee. Fifth one. Envelope. Envelope. Cover, leaf of. Put the money in the envelope. Put the money in the envelope. Day 3. First one. Familiar. Familiar. Telisina. The song was familiar one. Lazy. Somaritanam. She is too lazy to cook. Receive. Andukonuta. I received a letter from my friend. Unexpected. Uhinchani. His death was totally unexpected. His death was totally unexpected. Bother. Bother. Ibbandi paduta. If the noise bothers you, I shall switch it off. If the noise bothers you, I shall switch it off. Day 4. First one. Surprise. Acharyaparuchu. Surprise. They gave him a surprise visit. Sandarshinchuta. I made a visit to America last month. Pull. Pull. Laguta. Don't pull the cat's tail. Don't pull the cat's tail. Since. Since. Nundi. I haven't seen him since last year. Left. Vadilivesenu. He left home early today. He left home early today. Day 5. Forward. Forward. Munduku. Seeing Allu Arjun, the fans rushed forward. Seeing Allu Arjun, the fans rushed forward. Cattle. Pashulu. A cattle is grazing in the field. A cattle is grazing in the field. Avoid. Avoid. Nivarinchuta. If you want to lose weight, avoid eating junk food. Educated. Educated. Chadukunna. She was educated at a boarding school. After. After. Taruata. Please shut the door after you. Please shut the door after